About that unboxing video, blah blah blah, blah blah. Let's just get started. We don't got much time.
So I'm just gonna start here. God damn it!
What's with the focus with this thing?
I'm just.
Do you need help?
No, I don't think so.
Don't cut like that, Luke. Yep, like that. Don't try this at home.
Yes, you can. Oh God.
Make sure you have supervision while doing this. Looks like you need help, Luke.
I think so.
There.
Okay, yeah,
Right
so
there.
I got my brother to help me a bit, so yeah.
I just ripped it open.
Okay, now we got air purifier key. Let me take this out. There we go.
If you guys are wondering why it's been a long time since we posted on this channel, it's because
We have school.
and also I can't think of anything. Anything we could do.
Here's the hole.
We got a air purifier kilo.
And I don't know how to do it.
No, like this. Oh, we need to take this out. Just give it to. All right, we're done. Bye.